Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take partials right here on FXCM. And if you want to do this, first of all, we will create an offer or a position. And then after that, I will show you how we can do this. So the first thing is go right here to Bitcoin, click on buy. I do right here 5 contracts and then we do buy Bitcoin. It's just an example. I'm also using a demo account. So be careful if you're using not a demo account. But now we go to portfolio. And then right here, we click here on the cross. And then right here, we can fill in right here how much we want to close. So I fill in 3. And now if I click right here on close position, you need to look right here on the amount because right now we are having 5. And if I click right here on close position, we are having 2. So this is how you can take partials right here on FXCM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.